Today we are going to talk about a very practical and flexible small engineering tool, Rippa R15 Cab Mini Excavator. It is a cost-effective product designed for small space operations, home construction, farm gardening, orchard management, and other scenarios. Don't look at its small size, but it is really small but complete. First of all, in terms of appearance, the fully enclosed cab designed directly upgrades to a higher level. Windproof, rainproof, sunproof, warm in winter and cool in summer. No longer have to worry about bad weather interfering with work. The comfort is greatly improved, and workers directly give it a thumbs up. Don't look at its compact size, but the power is not ambiguous. R15 is equipped with a Kubota engine, which not only has stable power output, but also has very good fuel consumption control. This is very important for users who work for a long time. The standard hydraulic system of the machine has also been professionally optimized, with sensitive movements and quick responses. Digging, rotation, and lifting are very smooth, and it is effortless to operate. Let's take a look at the operation part. Although the interior space is compact, the layout is reasonable, the control lever is smooth, the instrument panel is clear, and the seat is also equipped with a shock-absorbing design. Sitting on it is just one word: stable. This R15 also supports the switching of multiple attachments. Whether you want to dig, crush, or level the land, it can easily cope with it. It can be called an all-round small steel cannon. The most important thing is that it is easy to maintain and easy to maintain. One machine can help you handle a variety of working conditions. The cost performance is great. In general, the Rippa R15 cab model is an all-round weapon tailored for small projects. It has both the performance of a large machine and the flexibility of a small device. Anyone who uses it knows it. If you are considering buying a mini excavator, you might as well put this one on your list. Rippa quality is visible and usable.